Good morning, friends. You are most welcome to Think IS channel. Today we are discussing the question and answers of anthropology. Our question is discuss the relationship between anthropology and earth sciences or anthropology and earth sciences. Introduction. Earth sciences include geography and geology. Hence, relationship of anthropology with earth sciences is in the form of its relationship with geography and geology. Relationship with anthropology and geography. And relationship of anthropology with geography. Geography is related with socio-cultural, physical, archaeological anthropology. Geography means study of Earth in terms of Earth crust, landscape, climate, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Human being is one of the biological means. Therefore, he is influenced by various aspects of planet Earth. Therefore, geography and anthropology show some relationships. Relationship with sociocultural anthropology. Julian Stewart was one of the first anthropologists who advocated the relationship between culture and environment. He gave the concept of cultural ecology, which recognizes that culture and environment are not separate spheres, and culture has reciprocal interplay with environment. Julian Stewart believed that some domains of culture have strong environmental relationships than others. This form culture core. This forms cultural core. Remaining aspect having indirect relationship with environment is called superstructure. Thus, concept of cultural core suggests that there is a relationship between man and the environment. Relationship with physical anthropology. Geography studies climate and its impact on human being. Physical anthropology studies human adaptation to various climatic conditions such as desert, extreme cold, and high altitude. Thus, both geography and physical anthropology seek to explain the impact of climate on man. Apart from this, both the disciplines study race and its distribution throughout the world. Relationship with the archaeological anthropology. Archaeological anthropology in recent days tried to explain climatic regime of prehistoric time on the basis of tools and artifacts left over by man. Thus, archaeology and geography are associated with each other. Thus, both the disciplines have the respective identity, however, they are related to each other since both of them study man. Relationship of anthropology with geology. Geology means study of the rock in Earth's crust. The methodologies they employ are digging, dating, and logical interpretation. From this understanding, we can say that geology is related to archaeological and sociocultural anthropology. Relationship with archaeological anthropology. Archaeological anthropology is study of origin, growth, and development of culture and society of prehistoric period. Due to absence of any written records, archaeological anthropologists have to rely on the special methods employed by geologists to carry out the study. Archaeological anthropologists excavate prehistoric sites to find out artifacts made by man is remote past. Age of artifacts is determined. Findings are examined on various aspects and logical inference are drawn about the period in question. Thus, anthropology and geology share some methodological similarities. Knowledge of rocks and their time are important in anthropology as fossils of man and his ancestors are available only in sedimentary rocks. Stratigraphy. Stratigraphy helps in relative dating of evidences related to biological and cultural evidences of man. Knowledge of Pleistocene geology has helped in understanding human habitation at that time and human migration, which are important in study of anthropology. Relationship with sociocultural anthropology. One of the aspects of sociocultural anthropology is study of the social stratification. For example, Varna-based stratification of Indian Hindus into Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra. The concept of stratification has been borrowed from geology. In geology, different layers of rocks or soils are studied. This concept of layers has been studied by anthropologists to describe stratification in human society. Conclusion: thus, relationship between geology and anthropology is all regarding methodology. Thank you very much.